as I was saying, it was probably the first thing on drive 0 or whatever disk, and it would load up. I had another phone call. It interrupted my recording. Anyway, the other thing that this magical thing, oh, that was good, this magical ROM would do is when nothing was happening in the machine, as in no one was on the bulletin board, it would sit there, and it would watch out for cosmic rays. And that is where, for no good reason, and it shouldn't be happening, but something in the machine gets a little bit changed, and that can mean the machine can freeze up and do things. Anyway, it would somehow keep track. If something had changed, it would then go into an automatic shutdown, reboot, start over to prevent things from locking up. It was quite wonderful. Who knows? Maybe people are interested in that now. We never ever did think to make it available to other people. It just, it's like, I don't know why. Why we didn't. Anyway, alright, so I'm going to shuffle some pets and get back to work here. And, oh dear, I don't have the microphone plugged in. I don't know how this works. See, this is my little wee microphone, and maybe it's working okay because I'm not far from the phone. Let me just see. Hello, I have the microphone now. Anyway, I hope that worked out well. Anyway, so I'll see if I put these things all together. I do have some editing stuff, but the editing stuff takes forever, and then it takes forever to output. Anyway, one thing I did find in that whole disaster with the microphone thing is that I'm pretty sure there was another plug on that thing that I could have been recharging at the same time. I never knew that. But anyway, it's toast now. So that is enough for now. Thanks so much for coming. I'm going to, as I said, shuffle some pets and then see what I can get into. It's hot outside, and, oh, there's the cardinal. It's sitting on a chair. If I had my camera handy, well, it's kind of in the dark. Anyway, there's a red cardinal out in the backyard, and I also have seen, oh, he took off. I have seen his lady friend, and I suspect they have a nest around. I would suspect, but I don't know for sure. But I will see. But I think at one point I will maybe see about sitting out with a camera and trying to get some shots. We shall see. Anyway, thanks for coming, and stay tuned. More pet developments coming, to be sure. Bye for now. Oh, didn't work. Bye for now. Oh, didn't work. Oh yeah, this phone has a thing where the screen goes stupid, where it doesn't want to react nicely. So I think what I'm going to do is reach over here, press the button on the side.